Lenovo Error 1962 means your system can't find the operating system or hard drive. It appears during startup and prevents your device from booting. The error stems from hardware issues like faulty drives, connection problems, or software corruption. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve it. The first step is to ensure all physical connections are secure. Start by powering off your Lenovo device completely. Next, open the access panel on the bottom of your device. Refer to your device's manual for the exact location and how to remove it. Once inside, locate the hard drive or SSD. Check the SATA or NVMe connections to ensure they are properly seated in their slots. Reseat the drive and any cables to ensure a firm connection. Gently remove and reinsert them if necessary. If using an external drive, verify the USB connection is secure. Check both the cable and port. Restart your Lenovo device to access the BIOS setup. During startup, press F1, F2, or Del to enter the BIOS setup. Once in the BIOS, use arrow keys to navigate to the boot or startup section. Check that your hard drive or SSD is listed as a bootable device in the boot menu. If your drive is not listed, this indicates a detection problem that needs further investigation. Within the BIOS, check the SATA or NVMe settings. Ensure that the storage controller is enabled and set to the correct mode, such as AHCI for SATA drives or NVMe for SSDs. If the BIOS is outdated, update it to the latest version from Lenovo's support website. An outdated BIOS may not properly recognize newer SSDs. To check drive health using Lenovo's built-in diagnostic tools, you have two main options: the Novo button or Lenovo Vantage software. First, power off your Lenovo laptop completely. Look for the Novo button, usually a small pinhole near the power button. Press it with a paperclip to enter the Novo menu, then select System Recovery or Diagnostics to run a hardware scan. Alternatively, install and open Lenovo Vantage software on your computer. This free application provides a dashboard for system health checks. Once in the Diagnostics tool, select and run a full hardware scan. This will test your drives and other components for errors. The tool will provide specific error codes or messages indicating any problems found, such as drive failures or connection issues. If hardware diagnostics pass, the issue may be a corrupted boot sector. Use Windows installation media to repair it. Create Windows installation media on a USB drive or DVD, then boot your Lenovo computer from it. On the installation screen, select Repair Your Computer to access recovery options. Navigate to the Troubleshoot menu, then select Advanced Options. From Advanced Options, select Command Prompt to open the command line interface. The command prompt window will open. Here, you'll run specific commands to repair the boot sector. First, type bootrec fix mbr to repair the master boot record. Next, type bootrec fix boot to repair the boot sector files. Finally, type bootrec rebuild bcd to rebuild the boot configuration data. After running the commands, restart your computer to check if error 1962 is resolved. SSDs are now more common in Lenovo laptops. Error 1962 on SSDs often relates to firmware mismatches or PCIe driver issues. Ensure your SSD firmware is up to date. For older HDDs, mechanical failures are common. If the drive is making clicking sounds, it likely needs replacement. Understanding the differences between SSDs and HDDs helps diagnose drive-related errors effectively. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and error 1962 still persists, it's time to seek professional help. A qualified technician can diagnose complex hardware issues that require specialized tools or perform data recovery if your files are at risk. Contact Lenovo support for certified assistance with your device, or visit a local computer repair shop for personalized service. According to recent statistics, about 10% of Error 1962 cases ultimately need expert intervention.